Is Dogelon Mars a wise speculation? That is an inquiry that many individuals are posing to themselves as this new digital currency begins to acquire consideration. In this video, we've assembled an examination of the Dogelon Mars cost expectation. We will likewise examine the specialized elements of this coin and tell you the best way to get it. We should go. Our continuous ELON to USD cost update shows the ongoing Dogelon Mars cost is $0. Our latest Dogelon Mars cost gauge shows that its worth will increment by 0.17% and reach $3.35 by April 18, 2023. Our investigation of the specialized pointers proposes that the ongoing business sector feeling is negative 52%, with a trepidation and covetousness list score of 68. Over the most recent 30 days, Dogelon Mars has had 15 30th green days and 3.77% cost unpredictability. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars is $0, and ELON is by and by position no. 161 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of Dogelon Mars is $193,669,241.73, with a market cap of 549,652,770,159,583 ELON. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ELON has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 0.73%. Dogelon Mars has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ELON has expanded by 18.47%, adding a monster normal measure of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogelon Mars costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogelon Mars will be $0. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Dogelon Mars may be around $0. ELON value figure for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value variances of Dogelon Mars in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ELON rate they anticipate may be around $0 April 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. May 2023. Dogelon Mars value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The ELON cost will be exchanged at $0. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogelon Mars worth to $0. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0 May 2023. ELON value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogelon Mars costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, $0. The least and pinnacle ELON rates may be $0. July 2023. Dogelon Mars value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ELON cost will be around $0. In July 2023, the Dogelon Mars cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 July 2023. ELON value gauge for August 2023. Having broke down Dogelon Mars costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the ELON rate could arrive at a limit of $0 August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Dogelon Mars is almost $0. September 2023. Dogelon Mars value figure around mid-2023. The Dogelon Mars cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the ELON cost could change somewhere in the range of $0. ELON value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Dogelon Mars worth won't dip under at least $0. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. November 2023. Dogelon Mars value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of ELON costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Dogelon Mars will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In November 2023, the normal expense will be $0. ELON value conjecture for December 2023. In view of the value changes of Dogelon Mars toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical ELON pace of $0 December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Dogelon Mars in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Dogelon Mars will be around $0. The most extreme expected ELON cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Dogelon Mars in 2025, ELON is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of Dogelon Mars and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base ELON cost could drop to $0, while its greatest can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Dogelon Mars by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least ELON costs are normal in 2027, $0. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Dogelon Mars. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical ELON cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0, yet it actually could reach $0 through 2028. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2029. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan estimates at the cost of Dogelon Mars. It is assessed that ELON will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2030. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2030 still up in the air by the most extreme ELON cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2031. Following quite a while of investigation of the Dogelon Mars cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ELON cost assessment to 2031. It will be exchanged for no less than $0, with the conceivable greatest tops at $0. By and large, you can anticipate that the ELON cost should be around $0 2031. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2032. Cryptographic money experts are prepared to report their assessments of the Dogelon Mars cost. The year 2032 still up in the air by the greatest ELON cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Will Dogelon Mars become more expensive? It is challenging to foresee the future cost of any digital money. Yet Dogelon Mars has a ton of potential. It is right now exchanging at $0. Will Dogelon Mars go to Coinbase? This isn't known as of now. Coinbase has not recorded Dogelon Mars on their trade at this point. Is Dogelon Mars coin a wise speculation? Digital currencies are exceptionally unstable and costs can go up or down quickly. Dogelon Mars has a ton of potential, yet it is likewise a more hazardous speculation than some other digital currencies. We compare